Alrighty, let's take a look at this question. A cubic polynomial, p of x, has zeros of -3, 1, and 2. If p at 0 equals 12, then the value of p at 3/2. Okay, so we need to find the value of the function at 3/2, but we don't have the equation. So that's going to be our first thing we need to do. We need to get the equation, and we start by writing p of x equals, always write an a or a c or whatever to represent a possible reflection or stretch or something. It could be there because that is not showing up when we write down the zeros. So now we turn these zeros back into factors. To do that, you basically start with, say, x equals -3, and to turn it back into a factor, add 3 to both sides, and you get x plus 3 equals 0. So that's the first factor, and then 1 would be x minus 1, and 2 would be x minus 2. And just to confirm, they said cubic polynomial, which means degree 3. If you add the multiplicities, meaning the exponents, when it's in factored form like this, 1 plus 1 plus 1, you get degree 3, so we're good. There's no weird exponents we don't know about. Alrighty, so, now we need to find a. So that's why they gave us p at 0 equals -12. So we are going to go p at 0, meaning sub in 0 for x. And on the next step, we'll replace p at 0 with -12 and simplify. So that'd be 3, -1, and -2. Okay, now multiply those, we would get 6. And if you divide, we would get a equals -2. Alrighty, now that we have that, we'll go p of x equals, sub that back into our equation. And now we can finally figure out p at 3/2, meaning we sub 3/2 in for x. And you can totally throw it in the calculator. They want it to the nearest hundredth anyways, so would not matter how you do that. Let me see if I can figure this out in my head because my calculator's not here. 1/2, -1/2, that's -1/4, or +1/4. No, it'd be negative. And then that would be 6/2. Oh no, yeah, 6/2. 9/4 written as a decimal would be 2.25 would be your answer. And there we go. Hope that helped.